So now, those bolts there on the arm, do they go all the way through?
They go all the way through the plate. So, are you talking about on the inside here? Yeah, if you look inside, you can see they go through, and then again, they get a nice glob of marine grade silicone sealant inside there as well.
Okay.
And I'll tell you, we go a step further. A lot of people don't realize this, but we do that silicone sealant, and then what you don't really see, and you can kind of see remnants of it, is you've heard of Flex Seal, the stuff in the can?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's the exact brand we're using, but we use a product similar to spray over the back side of that. So it's just a second line of defense, if you will. The thing is you know, we're selling a product that is sold as a travel trailer that's not supposed to leak, right? It doesn't have as many seams. There's very few points of entry. You know, depending on options, I guess if you got everything, there's more. But what we do to combat leaking is obviously reinforce the inside here with a lot more sealant and two different ways of sealing this thing. So now this is the glue station here. They're doing a lot of grinding, so I don't want to get too close right here. There's a lot going on. I don't want anybody to get hurt or covered in fiberglass dust because you'll hate yourself. But you can see he's trimming that flange off, and then he's going to go back around and take a grinder and bevel that so that it will fit right down in there, and then of course do the same thing. Once the bubble is inside the lower shell, he's going to grind off the flange of that one, bevel that. One of the things we do different than other fiberglass travel trailers is where our horizontal belly seam is. Instead of it being two flat flanges that come together and then are glued or riveted around, and then they put some sort of trim around it, we actually have an overlapping glue joint, which I think is definitely far superior to the horizontal. So they're going to come over here into the two electrical sections. They're going to finish getting everything hooked up, and then once they've mounted the roof components such as your AC and your max air fan, you will then they will then be able to test electrical components. Come here, I want you to see something because they haven't sealed this yet.
Yeah.
So I want you to see the difference. Right here you see a butyl tape that we've now installed.
Yep.
Okay? The issues that you may have read about in the early years were because when we were installing these, we were relying solely on the manufacturer of the windows foam gasket. Okay? And now we use a rubber, not a rubber, but a butyl tape putty that will really make a nice seat for this. And then we're still going to obviously seal it with that marine grade sealant.
So you're adding that butyl tape.
Right.
Okay. So before they'd have a piece of foam?
It's just a foam gasket. And
Okay.
I mean, like I say, they have
this is
a much more robust gasket on these, and I don't know if it was just in order to save money, but the window company ended up going to a very cheap foam.
And so you're doing the same thing for the door?
Same thing for the door, that's correct.
Now that looks like it's from the factory that way.
Right.
That
Well, no, we put this in.
you put that on?
Yeah.
I never did this when I went and saw one of your other customers, and I didn't get to this level.
Yeah. No, that's why we love the plant tour, because anything you want to do, we as long as it's safe and you're not going to get hurt. Looks like it holds.
I'm just thinking, you know, you're going down the road, it's raining, and man, that water is going to find somewhere to go.
I can tell you, we driving through North and South Dakota, it rained the whole time. I could barely even enjoy the beauty of the state. And I'd never been there. I was like, man, it rained most of the trip. Man, you get inside the trailer and it's dry as a bone.